I always say this, and I think everyone at the firm is tired of me saying this, but clients know best. In a lot of situations, clients know better than lawyers about what should happen on the case and what they should do. We've recently had a shooting case, and it was gun possession, reckless endangerment. The client had a 3.5-year mandatory minimum. Case starts, the DA says, my offer is 7, and then we talk the DA into a 5-year offer, and then the offer drops to 3.5. And then we go to motion practice, and I get the case dismissed on motion practice because there is an issue with the grand jury presentation. And the judge says, Mr. DA, you can go back, represent this to the grand jury. You for sure could fix your mistake. But the DA calls me and says, look, instead of me going back in, would your client take 2 years? And I speak with the client. We have a big conversation with the client's family. And the client essentially says, I'm not taking 2 years. And the client understands that there is 4 months that we have to pick up for the DA not to get the indictment, not to turn over the discovery, and not to really pick a jury on the case. It's a very long time period. And so what we decide is we tell the DA we're not taking the 2-year offer. We waited 4 months and the DA went over the time period that he had. Now it's too late for the DA to do anything with the case because he's out of speedy trial time and the dismissal happened a while ago. The clients know best. And the client made the decision. The client made the calculus of the DA is not going to move this case in 4 months. And he was right. The dismissal happened because the client made the right decision here. So if you're thinking, what do I do about my case? You will do whatever you think is appropriate, but keep in mind that your intuition and just this inner voice has a lot of power in your decision-making process.